So this is the anatomy of the Chandong Parang. Okay, this is the 10-inch blade parang made by Bidor in Malaysia. Okay, the plastic handle, it's a very solid plastic handle, as you can see. It's not heavy. Okay, and the spine, it's quite long. First, I believe that this spine is shorter than this is in reality. You can see it's a it's a long spine. It's a long spine. Okay. So, how to attach this steel to this plastic handle? Good question. I'll try to use this. It's a good adhesive. It's a I think it's a very strong adhesive. Look at the specifications. Okay. I don't know. It's the very first time when I use this. I don't like to use the fire method. I don't like to play with the fire. Why? Because I'm really afraid to affect the blade tempering if I use the fire method to fix this to this. So I'll not play with the fire, even in the common sense, not just in the metaphoric sense. Okay.